Me and my wife Becca are getting ready to embark on a 10-day road trip. We're heading out west. We're stopping at Red Lodge. We're going to shoot in a total archery challenge. We're hitting up Yellowstone and Grand Tetons, and then we're heading back. But in this video, I'm going to go over our whole Jeep setup. We're going to be sleeping in the back of here for a few nights. All our food, gear, everything like that. So let's get into it. So one of the first things I did, I bought this back rack that goes into the receiver. I was going to put a roof rack on the Jeep, but this was just so much cheaper. I mean, this was just a little over $100, and I think it's going to work out great. We got our Lifetime cooler from Walmart, packed full. You know, we got the Liquid Death, got some egg salad, cold meat, and then we just like froze gallon jugs of water, so it should hold up for the week. And then this is our little gear container. We got the thermos, coffee, or the percolator for coffee, some cups, some plates, a couple snacks in there. Just kind of our camp necessities. Then we got the back all full. Starting out with my bow case here. I guess I'll show you guys my bow. So we originally planned on flying out there, and that's why I got this case, because I planned on, you know, having to fly with my bow. But we ended up deciding that we were going to drive, so now I got this really nice case for time if we do fly. And it is nice, the bow is protected. So like I said, we're doing a total archery challenge. It's just like a target shoot, and it's all for fun. It's in Red Lodge. This is a Hoyt Alpha X, and you guys will see this in the actual trip video, but just show you the case. Everything's strapped down real good. Got all my arrows, all my stuff. It's not going anywhere. So here's the back of the Jeep. We bought a mattress. They make mattresses that fit in the back of here perfect. And we got that off of Amazon, so that's what we have in here. We got the big Cabela's sleeping bags. You guys have seen these in my other videos, but it is going to be a little chilly in Red Lodge, Montana, and Yellowstone. Then we got our duffel packs. This is Becca's duffel, and then mine's over there. What we plan on doing is at night, when we do decide to sleep in here, I think we're sleeping here like 3 or 4 nights, but we're just gonna move everything to the front, my bow, our duffel bags, and then this will clear this all up and we'll be able to sleep in here. We got our snack bag, plenty of snacks. Got water down here, ready to go, tucked in. We got our shoes. Only bringing a couple pairs. I got my boots. Becca's got our hiking shoes and some sandals. I did set up some fans just in case we need them. One thing that is not in here yet is our pillows. Definitely need to get them in there. So we each got a headlamp just tucked away in here if we got to get up at night. And then we have little battery packs just to charge our phones. Becca has them on her side over there. And then we both have day packs. This is my day pack. They're set up very similar. This is a Leatherman Signal. Little first aid kit. I think there's some hand sanitizer in here. A lighter with some duct tape. Then I have a bandana tucked in here. We'll be wearing these during the tack or if we go on any hikes. Then tucked away inside, I got a puffy jacket, unfoldable seat pad there. I got a rain jacket. My Sawyer water purification kit in here. They're just like a little gear pocket and tucked in here too. Ibuprofen in here, another lighter. Got some bug spray, stuff for the water system. Nothing too crazy. Usually don't keep my puffy jacket in here, but since these are kind of our vehicle bags too, if it's cold, I can just grab that jacket and it's ready to go. Another cool item, I always have my bino harness here, and I have a rangefinder. I'll be using that during the tack. And just looking at wildlife. There's my binoculars, some Vortex binoculars in there. We also got Becca her own bino harness. And then she got some 6-hour binoculars. Very nice binoculars. Our main goal with the trip is to see wildlife, so we definitely wanted to make sure we had some binoculars. I'm sure I'm missing some major items. I tried going over everything. We got the Jeep all ready to go. Oil change, new wipers, some windshield washer fluid in there. I was doing the oil change, I found the water pump was leaking, so put a new water pump in the Jeep too. That was like a few weeks back, so she is all good to go. I didn't go over it, but this is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Becca's daily driver. We were gonna take the truck, but the Jeep's just a little bit more dependable right now for this big of a trip. And we sleep in the back of it just fine. There's plenty of room back there, so it's gonna be awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this little run through of all the gear and how we got the Jeep all packed up and everything. It's gonna be an awesome trip. We leave tonight. Stay tuned for the trip video. You'll see a lot of this gear being used. I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.